Snapchat has made the My AI feature available to everyone on Snapchat. Previously, it was only available to the Snapchat Plus users, but now it is also available to everyone using Snapchat. That is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to talk to My AI on Snapchat. The My AI feature is a chatbot which is available on the top of your chat list of Snapchat. You can just tap on this chatbot and the chat will open up. Now to talk with it, if you have any questions, you can type it in and ask the chatbot. You can ask it just about anything that you have in mind. But make sure that the sentence that you enter is clear and make sure that you do not enter any jargons. So you can type in any question and hit send. And the My AI chatbot will answer it immediately. And there you go. That is the way that you can talk to My AI on Snapchat. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.